Okay, everybody, so this is a video on training. Training is really important for all the staff, including myself. Okay, the reason training is important is, not just for the business, but also for you. So as part of your work at PlayGym, I know there is a lot of free time when there are no customers and there is nobody at PlayGym. So those are the times where I would really encourage all of you to go through the training material and learn about how to work at PlayGym. And this is not just about working at PlayGym. This can be a learning for you for your next job or for progressing inside PlayGym. So if you started PlayGym, you can grow into managing the complete business. You can become a manager at PlayGym. And the way you can do that is by consistently learning all the different elements of how to work well at PlayGym. So PlayGym is a small business, but I want you to know that we really run it in a very professional way. If you compare yourself with other people, you will realize that your learning at PlayGym is significantly higher. So anyways, in your daily task list, there is this new item over here, which is called, have you upgraded your training plan status for the current month? So every month, I would like you to keep track of your training. Okay. Now you can train as many times as you want, but every month I would like you to update your status. So if you go to our intranet, so this is our intranet. Hopefully everybody is very familiar. So there is a link here which is called Learning and Training. And over here you will see there is a training plan as well as training material. Okay. So when you click on the training plan, it will take you to this detailed spreadsheet which has a list of all the training items. Okay. And you will probably find your name over here. And within that, there is a status, whether you have done that training material or you have not done it. So every month, I would like you to go on to this at least once and check this thing off. So go line by line. So for example, hourly products. If you know about our hourly products, what is the charge of per hour use at PlayGym, then you can write it as done. Or you can, if you know about all the other PlayGyms, then you can write it as expert level, that you have expert level knowledge. But if you need more help, you can indicate over here that you need training aid or you have not started and things like that. So for example, let's go down and you will see that there are some detailed training items here, right? So how to create a canned response in Gmail. So if you have not done it, then what you need to do is you need to write not started. Okay. And if there is no video here, then you can even indicate that you need training aid. Okay. So that way I will know that you need training aid. And so this is the list of all the training, and the training status is basically a number of where you are in terms of training. So going back to all training, if we scroll down here, let's go all the way down, and there is a little bit of table that's built over here. So this is automatic. You don't have to do anything. Based on your responses above, these numbers will automatically change. Okay, so I'm going to use Basim as an example, right? Basim is one of our experienced staff, and these are the statistics for his training. So what I would like you to do is every month go into this spreadsheet and indicate and update basically. So if any of these things you may have done, then go ahead and update it, and then these numbers will update by themselves. And then you would go into this training status, and let's say if you're putting in these numbers in the month of October, and here is Basim, right? And here are the 4 answers, so you have to transfer those numbers here. So basically for Basim, he has done two of his training material is not started, right? We'll go here, not started, Basim, and we'll write 2 over here. Okay, then let's see how many has he done. So done is 68. We go back to training aid. Basim is right here. 68 is done. Then we have to find out how many he's an expert on. So he's indicated 0 as expert and 1 as the training aid, and 86 is the total number of trainings that he has to do. So expert, we'll write 1, we'll write 0. Training aids required is 1, and then total number of training is 86. Okay, so that's how you would you would update this. Okay, and then if Kokila wants to do it, she has to do the same thing. She has to go into all training. This is Kokila right here, so she has to transfer these numbers onto the training status. So if we do this every month, so we will keep a stack of how your training is happening. So ideally the numbers over here in not started should go down, and then the numbers in this done and expert category should go up. And then if you need more and more training materials, then that would be my job to provide you training and videos to do the trainings for this. Okay. Now in terms of materials, so going back to our intranet, you will see that there is a link here for training material as well. So if you click on this link, that will take you to our Google Drive, where a lot of the training materials are created. So you can go into this, and within that you will see that there are videos, but I'm going to progressively put the training material links over here, just like I have started doing it. So you'll see a lot of these YouTube video links, right? So for example, how to maintain the attendance and fee collection, you can see that there is a link here. You just have to click on that link and it starts the video right away. And you can watch these videos and constantly learn this. So you have to do this every month, and this will be your way of telling me that you need more training materials, or how you're doing in terms of training at PlayGym.